What is up, guys? Today we're making these juicy oven-baked barbecue chicken breasts, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by taking all of our dry seasonings and putting them in a ramekin and then mixing them all together so that they're evenly distributed. And then we're going to take our chicken breasts, and I just put mine on a cutting board and cut off any of like the little fat pieces. And then on both sides, we're going to rub our dry mixture all over them, and you're really going to like rub it in so that seasoning is really coating the chicken. While you're doing this, make sure you're preheating your oven at 400 degrees. And then we're going to take half of our barbecue and we're going to spread it on the top of the chicken breasts on both of them. And then once our oven is preheated, we're going to stick those chicken breasts in there and we're going to cook them for 22 minutes or until they reach 165 internally. And so when they're done cooking, they should look like this. Then we're going to use the rest of our barbecue sauce and we're going to put it on top of both breasts. And while you're doing that, just preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Then we're going to take those suckers and we're going to put them in the air fryer and we're just going to broil them for 3 minutes at 3 minutes at 425 degrees, and that's it. And you're going to get some nice juicy chicken breasts. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, but bon appetit, y'all.